Hey guys, back in our vlog channel again.
Yep.
Me and Michael are going to this rock pit. That's the campfire. It's nice that this is a bike jump right here, and they cut all this grass down. But Michael will show you what it is. So, but my ASMR Chase channel, I linked in this description, the comments.
So it goes all the way down there.
Not the comments, the
And
description.
all the way down there.
And then the rock pit's over here.
Through this long grass. Here it is. So here we have our cool rocks. With this one, it's like a kind of like mica. Don't know if you guys can see that or something. It's really shiny, it's cool. See? We've got this really cool rock that like comes in slabs. Kind of cool. There's another piece right there.
So this is
Our rock station.
this
We
is
dug
our
it up.
rock here. We need to. Should we put
bury
the
it
rock
in?
back? Yeah.
I think we're like,
Oh,
there we go.
this is a cool rock with some mica
Oh
on
shoot.
it. Can it focus, camera?
I think you usually like hold it far away.
No, I feel like bring it close just so they can see the mica.
Oh, there
though.
we go. This should be good enough, right?
Here, hold on.
It's not as good, but.
Whatever.
Oh, and there's also which way is you hold it this way? Okay. There's some like rhubarb up here. I don't know if you guys can notice it, but it's right here. There's lots of these. Well, like deer, grabby. It's really soft. So anyways, oh shoot. So I'll show you through all the rocks. We already did the slate ones. We found like these really cool like purple one. It looks like a space.
I think this one is probably the coolest.
Oh yeah. I found it. We didn't crack it open because we didn't want to. Half red,
And this,
half black.
I think this is the second best right here.
Oh yeah, Chase found this one. We also found like this really.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
not good. You gonna smash more rocks?
Should we keep the camera going? I guess we could keep it going.
Yeah.
So,
It's fine.
yeah. Oh, what's this? Wait. Shoot.
Oh my god.
Found like a bar of metal. I think it broke.
What broke?
Was that rock already broke? Was that rock already broken?
This one?
Yeah.
Yes, this is the one we broke.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Yeah, that's weird. I just found like nice little metal over here. The metal bar. Anyway, so also, always saw this really, it turns into literally like blades. I need to find it.
Oh, I remember that.
We found this piece of metal. It like literally turns into blades that can. Chase almost cut his hand with it. Oh, that's nice.
That's nice.
We found this piece.
Sorry.
In my eyelid.
Oh, shit.
We found this.
Wait.
Oh, we found this that has like
Do you think
stripes.
this will break open or no?
Maybe.
This one.
Oh, that's a
Yeah.
nice sound.
Yo, I cracked it.
No way.
Look.
Okay, this one like turned into blades. I think we lost all the little blades because they broke because they were so sharp.
So here, you're gonna watch Michael try to crack some of these rocks open.
Okay, which one?
On this boulder right here. Yeah. I felt a piece of that.
I know, it's so loud. Oh, look at that.
No, it's just plain.
I don't think
That goes back there then. The sound is so funny.
Oh my.
This is so funny. I zoomed in on it. Here, you want to take the camera again?
Uh-oh.
What? What? This rock's getting weak before it couldn't even break.
Well, that's actually
Here.
pretty good. put this over by cooler rocks. There's also like this sand one. That's kind of cool. Oh, nice piece right. Oh, that's actually pretty good. Do you see this?
Look at all that mica.
That's a lot. There's also, oh, there's this really cool like salmon colorish. Yeah. And we also went on my roof today, in our first video, and that
was our first intro to the vlog channel.
Yes, and the shingles had like what's it called? Flex. What is it called? Can't remember the name.
I thought it was like
glass something. No, not plexiglass.
That's what I was just gonna say. Something glass.
Fiberglass.
Yes.
It has fiberglass, and now it's all in our hands. And our hands are super dry because
I'm gonna try to smash this one open.
That roof was hot, and it hurt my hands. Oh, that was the rust.
It open.
It's like rusted. The break?
No.
Okay.
We'll have to like a mark on it though.
I'm gonna try to find like good.
Those kids are in the window watching this.
Oh, I see them. They're in the window. Okay, that's pretty cool. Oh, this one's actually pretty. This one's already cracked, and it's actually kind of cool. Looks like it has some mica. You guys can't see that well.
Broke?
There you go. You can see like some mica, some pink. That's actually pretty cool.
This has a red stripe in it.
That has a bit of mica in it. What does that have?
This just has like a weird red stripe.
That's
in
cool.
it.
Kind of cool, I guess.
You want to try to grab a cricket?
You already got one. You might be able to find it. There was a dead cricket right here that we smashed on the rock. I don't see it. Yeah, the cricket's gone.
Look, who's that?
Down.
Okay.
Oh, this one's kind of cool. Oh yeah, we already smashed this one open. It's kind of like cool. Oh, well, how did this get over here? This is our rainbow rock. How did rainbow rock get over here?
Yeah, I'm gonna smash this one.
Okay, I'm
Look
gonna.
out.
Just gonna quick throw the rainbow rock. Ow, hit me in the leg.
Ah, it said the mic went down my shirt.
That's actually pretty good. I saw some sparks or little shards fly off. Oh, what's this? That's kind of cool. Little colors on it.
Get ready.
Okay, like it has like little colors on this. Not the best. Now this one I want to smash. Oh, that was a nice little cut right there. Oh, I can't find the other piece. Here it is. Yeah, I like that. That looks cool. We're gonna keep this one. Or broke a piece. You know what? I don't care.
Hey, let's see if we can drop this down the drain.
Where's the drain? I thought it was like right around here. There it is.
I actually might be able to get up.
Oh, it's such a perfect fit. Oh, dang it. You don't want to drop our camera down? So I'm just going to stand over here.
Here. I'm gonna take a chunk off.
Oh, there we go. We can just like.
Ow!
Nice. So many yellow flowers around here. I don't know what they
There's a
are.
rhubarb too.
I don't think these are mustard. They might be.
Oh, mustard seeds?
They might be.
Kind of looks like it.
Yeah. There's lots of it.
You ready? Go to the other end.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. The size. It's so close to going in, but like that little that sound.
Look out.
Fall in.
Look out, Michael. I don't want to hit you.
Oh my.
Yeah, that's spasm. I'm gonna try it on the road instead.
Let's go to the park.
Huh?
That's a pretty neat park. It has its lawn mode.
As it's lawn mode.
Yay. No one
gonna try
likes running through like really long grass. because then it like really itches a lot. Let's throw this down the drain. No evidence that a board was here.
Ready for another chunk to go down?
Let's clean all this stuff up. And, oh, there we go. We got some good pieces.
Uh-oh, that actually might go in.
We got some like white pieces. That's Sal.
There's
somebody. Look at this. Do you see all those boards, guys?
This might actually be a wee bit bigger over here.
I don't know. It looks kind of like the same size.
This one is
Why is there a Q-tip here?
ew.
That's disgusting.
You ever push that down so no one
Yeah.
touches that?
We have to make sure our city is clean.
Oh, this one actually seems bigger.
Yeah.
Same with this one right here.
I think it is. Yeah, that's bigger. Oh, it's like stuck. That's
Here, look.
You should kick it. Wait, move. Ow! My foot. It's so
Here,
solid.
kick it like this one.
Really solid.
Here, bend a chunk off.
Oh, we can't leave any of this evidence. Dang it, it's on the pipe.
Well, it's gonna be on YouTube, so I mean, the evidence is like.
Hopefully no one in our city is watching this. And if they are, make sure to subscribe
This one's smaller.
because we're just starting our channel. So you guys need to subscribe. Chase agrees.
Yes. We're not yelling at crows.
We'll probably be making videos whenever we can.
I need to tie my scoo.
Okay, I'll go down here and try to find another rock. Oh, there's thorny plant.
Thorny plant.
Look at it. It's a thorny plant.
You want to shove some rhubarb down in there?
We probably could. If these crickets would be quiet, like. But what's that? I just saw this. That's kind of cool. It's like a purplish rock.
Watch, I'm gonna shove this big piece of rhubarb down.
Okay. Oh, there's rhubarb over here too. That's neat. Got little yellow flowers, got like mustard stuff. Clover. Can I find a 4-leaf clover? If I find a big 3-leaf clover,
It's echoing down there.
does that count as a 4-leaf
Okay, come
clover?
here.
Okay.
What's the where I want a 4-leaf clover?
Yeah. And I was just wondering, if you have a big 3-leaf clover, could that transform into a small 4-leaf clover?
I mean,
Like
yes.
it could. Ah, the sunset. That's great.
Do you think I
It's
can
actually
touch
really
the bottom?
Oh. Yes, you are. Uh-oh. It's like, it's standing up. Guys, there has to be like a bottom. Because like, it's literally standing up.
Drops
Smells
found.
really bad. If you get really close to it, it smells really bad.
Ugh.
Guys, sewers don't smell good.
Lettuce.
Sewers don't smell good, guys.
This actually kind of looks like lettuce.
Yeah. Guys, comment down below what you want us to do next for our next video.
Yeah, like do some fireworks. I mean, I could buy some.
We went to the Albertsons and they wouldn't let us.
Yeah, we were gonna buy 8 packs of them.
And they were just the poppets, and it says they have to be 18 or older. Like, what are you gonna do with the poppets? Oh, it's a rotten apple. That's great.
I'm gonna ride my boogie board.
Okay. See, we even have our own boogie board. We're rich.
See this? I can go. You know.
We need to see the full thing.
Oh my god. Okay, let me just redo this one.
Oh,
Like my downwards boogie.
okay. We're gonna watch this downwards boogie. Can we find the worm? I see the worm. Still here.
Is he dry?
There's like a stick stabbed through him.
What?
That's weird. Okay. Anyways,
Watch
do your
this.
downwards boogie.
Here, I'll do it.
Okay, ready for
You
this,
think I can
guys?
pick this up? Ow, that hurts my hands.
Oh no, it's concrete. That's why. There's a ton of concrete. Concrete here, concrete over there, concrete over there,
That hurts.
and there's some way back there. Wait, I see purple flowers.
Purple?
Purple!
Purple.
Okay, there's I found purple flowers, guys.
I want to see them.
Oh, that's actually, like, look at the blooms. Can we even focus on that? Yes, we can.
That kind of looks like chives.
We have chives in our backyard.
Oh.
We have lots of chives.
On another one. Oh my
That's
god.
that's like a different type, kind of.
Look.
Oh my. Okay, don't go through that. That's so, you're gonna get so much stuff in your shoe. I'm gonna go around.
Ow.
Guys, please, if you know what these are, like, it's a purple flower, but then it's covered with little spikes that are actually pretty decently sized. Like, they're actually, like, pretty flexible.
Ow.
But, like, the tops actually don't hurt. Sides, though, they actually kind of hurt.
Ow.
You
Yes, they do. Get the sides and like.
No, I'm not doing that. That's
Oh,
smacking it.
that hurted.
That's kind of cool. Like, the flower's, like, bunched up or something.
Ow. Don't step like somewhere over here. I kicked one of those flowers.
Oh, we've got some, like,
I'm gonna whip it down.
we've got some nice concrete tar stuff from the road. We have another piece. That's actually quite black. Looks like coal.
Can concrete be black?
What?
Can't concrete be black, or is that asphalt?
Concrete be black?
Or can it be?
Asphalt is black, and then concrete is like the tannish stuff.
Oh, I got one.
Yeah. Yeah, like, really-
Ow!
what is it? You got one of the thorns in you, or what?
Yes. I keep
Oh, it looks like kind of like rhubarb in the middle. That is a nice purple little flower.
Ow.
That's gonna hurt. Get pinched. That's
I'm gonna drop this down the drain.
That's what it deserves to hurt. If it hurts Chase, it goes down the drain.
Yep. 100%.
Because that's complete bullying, and we don't support bullying. So. Oh, darn it.
People call me a bully.
Ah. That sound. Listen. You hear that?
Yes. Ow.
Does anyone else hear that after ring? Oh, we got the flower.
Here, wait.
It's disconnected pretty much. We need like a stick.
It went down.
Oh, it did.
There's a cigarette. That's bad for the climate. I'm going on the swang.
Okay.
I'm filming now.
Yeah.
Look at our shadows. This swing looks dumb. So, how's your day?
Pretty good.
I think ours is good because we started a new vlog channel.
Yeah.
Wait, what is that? Oh, it's that little kid shoes. But our ASMR Chase channel is at 99 subscribers, so like,
Go subscribe to that.
yes, get that to 100. If I'm probably gonna upload an ASMR on it tomorrow. If Michael can hang out, we're gonna do maybe 2 vlogs a day.
2? How would we feel?
Yeah, if we're like not really like feeling YouTube that day.
Yeah.
What if we said we're gonna upload that day? We're going to.
Yeah.
We've changed our YouTube policy.
Yeah.
Like on my ASMR channel, I was like, I'll upload like 2 times a week. Next time I upload, it was like 3 months ago. So like, everything's still good and all that. So I mean, yeah.
Yeah. Like Chase always keeps his word. Like
Yes.
3 months later, he comes out with a video.
Yes, now I'm keeping my word. We started a new channel and everything for more content. And because whispering is kind of weird for a wee bit.
And it's kind of annoying.
Yeah,
You
because
guys
like,
don't know how many bloopers we could make when we're not whispering.
okay, so when we were doing that,
We could probably make two good-sized videos.
we were doing like a coconut ASMR, and I accidentally deleted it. Here's why. So we were eating coconuts, oranges, bananas,
I had an apple.
an apple, and a
You
lemon.
had a lemon.
'Cause I don't like
sugar on a
apples.
coconut. That was actually pretty good.
Yeah, so, and then my brother comes out, starts screaming and cussing and all that, and it made me so mad, so I went sicko mode on him. And like, yeah.
He went like AFK for like 3 minutes.
Yeah, and Michael was just like sitting in the grass eating his coconut.
Yeah, it's actually pretty good. We used a carrot peeler
Yeah, and it worked actually really. It was
It was a little
satisfying.
strict.
But I had to edit like 9 or 10 videos together, and I accidentally deleted the wrong one because it
And then all that
got
time just went
corrupted
to
too.
nothing.
Huh?
And then all the time went to nothing, and then Chase got really mad.
We would have uploaded an ASMR video then.
Yeah.
Right now I'm just chilling.
So
on
it's
this
not our
thing.
fault. So it's not our fault.
Yeah, it's Gage's, my brother.
You know what we should do?
Hmm.
We should have to make another ASMR with the Coke
All right.
because we actually found a way to open it.
Yeah. So like there's 2 eyes, like that. If you feel them, they're hard. You can't like scratch anything off it. But if you like the little.
So there's like the 3.
So there's
eyes.
2 holes here. Watch. So just say we have a flat canvas here, and then this is the coconut that has like 2 eyes
And then
and
it
like
has
a
this,
mouth.
It has like this weird one that's like a little bit like
And
that.
you have to like
hit
stick
this
a screwdriver in there and then
it's
hit
like-
it with a hammer.
Like I used a screwdriver that was this big and it went all the way through.
So this right here like is the mouth, and you just stick a screwdriver in, and then just hammer it in.
If you never had coconut, you guys really need to try it.
Yes, it's really good. Michael's phrases.
Yeah.
So after you have like this, you can stick a straw in and drink it, and it's actually really good. It's like
pretty good
it kind of
size
tastes
for
like
the straw.
almond milk, but really
It tastes
really
like
sweet.
milk, and like the aftertaste has like an almond taste, and then really aftertaste tastes kind of like weird, but it's good.
Yeah.
The coconut's pretty good though.
Okay, here you go. You film again.
Okay. Let's.
Remember when we were like not that big and we could like do spinning things on this?
Yes.
What is this? There's a stick in this hole.
That's good. Wait,
There's that kid's shoes over there on that table.
So there's a slide there, and there's a weird slide that me and Chase went down, and it actually isn't the smartest thing because I don't think it's a slide. It's pretty steep, and then it has like those things in it. Doesn't feel the greatest. Yes, there used to be a rock wall here, and then they took it down. Well, I'm really mad. And then they put plexiglass right here,
Whoa,
so then we couldn't get through.
Michael, this
And they
is
had to do
broken right
this.
here. Look,
Wait, what?
this wasn't broken yesterday. Like, well, the last time we went to this park, was it?
No. If I go in here. Thanks, Chase, for the stick.
Yeah.
Ow, I hit my head.
Landed on your head.
Yeah. And then I hit my head on them.
Oh, that's not good.
Do you remember when we went here and we tried to get on top of these and we were like this small and we could like barely get on top of the monkey bar?
Remember
And now we're
when
just
we
like
hit
this?
that tree, and that's why all the trees are scratched up, and 2 girls got mad at us, and then another lady drove by in her car and got mad at us for hitting the tree.
We're sorry, guys. We won't do that. Uh-oh. Wait, someone else has done something to the tree. No, there's writing. Not allowed. Civil.
Flint.
No. Brad Road.
That's Brad.
That's Brad. 2010. This wasn't here in 2010. Is there like a face? Like there's like the face and that's an eye and that's like a mouth. And like, I don't know. See what? Where did it go?
This is the tree that we hit.
Where did the? No, we hit this tree.
No, it was this one because we had a huge gap of sap here too.
Oh, like where all the?
Black
I don't know where those
chunks
gash
right here.
marks came from. I don't know. I swear it was this tree. It was this tree.
It was
This is
this
the one
too.
that was
we
this-
drilled a nail into it.
But remember, this is the one that we hit with the rock, and look at it now. It's like, there's not even a mark. Man.
What?
It says man.
Ow!
It says man in the tree, I think.
Not to me, though.
Oh, nope, it hasn't. A-M. Yeah.
Oh God.
Uh-oh.
No.
Chase,
Yes.
what time do you end the video?
What time is the video at, Michael?
24:20.
We'll end it at like 28, 27.
Like 25 minutes.
I know, just ended at 28. Just ended at 28.
Okay, we're like good 28 minutes, guys.
What time is it right now? It's like probably like 9 something.
Yeah. Oh, I see. No way. I see a nail, guys.
Is that from us?
Yes. Look at this. There's a nail.
We parted and changed our ways.
Help the ecosystem. Don't litter. See? Look, someone littered a stick.
That's the tree there, Michael.
Bad.
Whoa.
Kick the
You
tree.
going sicko bomb?
Yes. No, that's not allowed.
Where's the nail?
You have to throw garbage
Oh my god.
in.
Didn't we use a rock to hammer it in?
Yes. You brought a hammer and a rock. Is that a weird, like, really long spider? The camera focusing on that. It's like.
Come here, Mr. Spider.
It's like a spider.
Oh, I got it.
No, it's right here.
Oh, drain, drain, drain.
Oh, I see it. Wait. Do you guys see that little
No!
dot? It's like a gold, like little
I don't know where you went.
sparkle. Nope. Okay, he got away. Darn it. Look at this. Someone littered while they're having a picnic.
Michael, you gonna throw those in the trash too?
No. We have to respect other people's property.
That was really.
Oh, they light up.
Here, put this in there.
They light up, guys.
Put that in there. It's a mushroom.
It's like a Febreze right there. Homemade Febreze. Well, let's put them under the table so they don't get wet.
They're still gonna get wet.
No, they're not.
There's holes on the table.
No, those are just like not holes. They're like circles.
Oh.
Yeah.
What was I?
Yeah.
What was
I don't know what you were thinking there.
What time is it at?
26, 28, 20,
Alright.
30.
But
Guys, we need to find a 4-leaf clover. If I go like this.
oh, standing on this branch right here, it broke.
Chase, look, I found a
There's one
4-leaf
right there.
clover. If I just like put that leaf in there. Dang it, I lost it.
That's enough in chat. Let's actually try to find one.
Okay, guys, we're gonna do this for like the next 2 minutes. This is gonna be boring.
I know.
I don't have the patience for this.
I got one. Never mind.
Guys, is it rare? So if it gives you luck for a 4-leaf, does it give you bad luck for a 2-leaf?
Probably.
That's not good. We're gonna.
Just like the black cat thing
Yes.
under a ladder and a mirror and stuff.
I don't know that type of stuff. I thought I saw a 4-leaf. Dang it. Did you find any?
No.
Dang.
I'm not that lucky.
I don't wanna. I just don't wanna wait this long. The chances of us.
Alright guys, but this is a successful video of our vlogs. Right now we're at the park and we're just at that rock pit. And yeah, so guys, this is ASMR. Well, no, I'm so used to saying ASMR. This is our channel. But guys, this is our vlog channel. And thank you guys for watching this video. And thank you for joining and watch for another. Bye.